In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a first name in Brevo. This short yet comprehensive guide will ensure that you can personalize your communications efficiently. So, let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Brevo's official website. It's essential to have a stable internet connection to ensure the process goes smoothly without any interruptions. Brevo's website is designed to be intuitive, but if it's your first time visiting, don't worry. I'll guide you every step of the way. Once on the homepage, log in to your Brevo account. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account to proceed further. For those who already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If keeping your password secure is a priority, you might consider a password manager to make this process quicker and safer in the future. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From there, you need to navigate to the email creation or editing section within Brevo. This is usually labeled clearly, so look for terms like create email or edit email. This section is where you'll unleash some creativity and add that personal touch to your communication by inserting the recipient's first name. Now focus on the text field where you intend to insert the first name. It's important to identify the right spot for personalization, as it creates a more engaging reading experience for your audience. This small detail makes a big difference, addressing your audience personally rather than generically. Next, you'll need to use the personalization icon to insert a placeholder for the first name. This icon, usually represented by curly braces, can be found in the formatting bar of the text field. Click on this personalization icon, and you'll see options to insert various placeholders like the first name. Click on First Name, and Brevo will automatically insert the correct code into your email. This feature ensures that each email sent will dynamically include the recipient's first name, making each communication feel tailored and personal. Once you've inserted and positioned your first name placeholder correctly, it's time to save your email design. Be sure to double-check all your additions to avoid any errors. This crucial step ensures all your hard work and careful customization are preserved and ready to be sent out. After saving, you can proceed with sending your email or schedule it for later, depending on your needs. And there you have it. Personalizing your emails by adding a first name in Brevo is as simple as that. By following these steps, you're paving the way for more meaningful connections with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.